Get ready, because the world of AI is moving at lightning speed, and you're about to get the absolute latest, most explosive updates. From the ground floor of global expansion to the cutting edge of coding tools and massive infrastructure plays, we're diving deep into what's reshaping our digital future. The pace is relentless, the innovations are groundbreaking, and if you're not plugged in, you're missing out. We've got the inside scoop on the strategies that are defining the next era of artificial intelligence. Stick around, because this is the news you absolutely need to know. First up, we're pulling back the curtain on OpenAI's ambitious global expansion, focusing on the mastermind driving their enterprise push and international growth. We'll uncover the strategic moves, the key players, and how they're transforming a research lab into a global business powerhouse, making waves from Brazil to India and beyond. This is a deep dive into the business of AI. Then, we're shifting gears to the developer's workbench with a massive upgrade to OpenAI's coding powerhouse, Codex. Get ready for an in-depth look at new extensions, seamless cloud-to-local syncing, and how this tool is making agentic coding more accessible and powerful than ever before. If you write code, this is a game changer you won't want to miss. And finally, we're looking at the sheer scale of AI infrastructure with reports of OpenAI's massive data center plans in India, a key part of their global Stargate initiative. We'll explore what this means for the future of AI development and accessibility. Don't miss a single second. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. The architect of expansion, OpenAI's enterprise push. OpenAI's global footprint, a new era of business integration. 7 years ago, OpenAI was a modest nonprofit research lab with a handful of employees and no clear path to revenue. Fast forward to today, and it's a global phenomenon with its flagship product, ChatGPT, boasting over 700 million weekly active users. At the heart of this meteoric rise and its strategic pivot towards enterprise solutions is Brad Lightcap, the company's operating chief. Tasked with transforming OpenAI from a consumer darling into a serious player in the business world, Lightcap has overseen a dramatic expansion, growing the go-to-market team from a mere 50 individuals to over 700 in just 18 months. This surge in personnel is dedicated to sales, customer success, developer relations, and strategic partnerships, all aimed at integrating OpenAI's powerful large language models into the workflows of businesses worldwide. The pivotal moment for enterprise adoption arrived with the launch of GPT-4 and ChatGPT Enterprise in 2023. This marked the point where OpenAI's models became sophisticated enough to reliably tackle complex business challenges. Companies like Moderna are leveraging ChatGPT Enterprise to accelerate drug discovery and synthesize massive research datasets. Uber has developed custom tools for its engineering teams, enabling them to utilize OpenAI's models for enhancing customer support, improving driver experiences, and boosting internal productivity. Morgan Stanley has been at the forefront, embedding GPT-4 into its wealth management operations and subsequently expanding its use across investment banking and trading divisions. Lightcap emphasizes OpenAI's commitment to not only building these advanced tools, but also to being the foremost experts in their deployment, a philosophy ingrained since the company's inception. OpenAI's go-to-market strategy diverges from traditional sales models, heavily relying on engineers who collaborate directly with enterprise clients. This approach ensures that the AI models effectively address specific business needs. Simultaneously, Lightcap navigates the intricate relationship with Microsoft, OpenAI's primary investor and cloud provider. While Microsoft's integration of OpenAI models into products like Copilot offers seamless adoption for Azure users, OpenAI's direct channel provides closer access to the frontier technology teams. This dynamic is further complicated by OpenAI's expansion into other cloud platforms and its ongoing negotiations with Microsoft regarding revenue sharing and partnership terms. The company is also strategically expanding its physical presence, opening new offices in key markets like Brazil, Australia, and India, reflecting a tailored approach to local demand and use cases. Brazil, in particular, is experiencing rapid growth, with over 50 million monthly ChatGPT users, while India has become the second-largest user community globally, driven by its vast developer base. Australia is emerging as an enterprise adoption hub for the Asia-Pacific region. This global expansion signifies OpenAI's commitment to supporting diverse developer ecosystems and fostering AI innovation across different markets. User impact. Industry analysts are closely watching OpenAI's enterprise strategy, noting the company's rapid scaling and its ability to attract major business clients. Community discussions highlight the transformative potential of these AI tools for workflow automation and innovation. But the story of OpenAI's global reach is just one piece of the puzzle. Next, we're diving into the tools that are empowering developers to build the future, with a massive upgrade to OpenAI's coding capabilities. Code Revolution. OpenAI supercharges Codex for developers. Developer productivity. A leap forward with enhanced coding tools. OpenAI has rolled out a significant upgrade to its agentic coding tool, Codex, aiming to revolutionize the development process. This update introduces a powerful new VS Code extension, enabling seamless integration directly into the popular integrated development environment. For users with a Plus or Pro subscription, Codex is now accessible across all builds, whether working in the terminal, an IDE, or the web interface, eliminating the need for cumbersome API key setups and providing direct access through existing ChatGPT plans. This unified access ensures a consistent and streamlined experience, regardless of the development environment. A key feature of this upgrade is the seamless local left-right arrow cloud handoff. This innovation allows developers to pair with Codex locally and then delegate tasks to the cloud for asynchronous execution without losing their current state. This means developers can initiate complex coding tasks on their local machine, hand them off to the cloud for processing, and pick up exactly where they left off, significantly boosting efficiency and workflow continuity. For users of Cursor, which is built on VS Code, the new Codex extension brings these advanced capabilities directly into their preferred coding environment. The update also includes enhancements to the Codex CLI with new commands and several critical bug fixes, further refining the tool's performance and usability. This advancement places OpenAI at the forefront of AI-assisted coding. While competitors like Claude are also exploring integrations with web coding agents, OpenAI's comprehensive approach with Codex, spanning IDEs and terminals with synchronized state management, offers a distinct advantage. The move towards more integrated and accessible AI coding tools reflects a broader industry trend. Developers are increasingly relying on AI assistance to accelerate code generation, identify bugs, and optimize performance. The ability to seamlessly transition between local development and cloud-based AI processing represents a significant step forward in making AI a more integral and less disruptive part of the daily coding workflow. The implications for software development speed, quality, and accessibility are profound, potentially lowering the barrier to entry for complex coding projects and empowering a new generation of developers. User impact. Developers are buzzing about the enhanced capabilities of Codex, with many praising the seamless handoff feature and the direct IDE integration for improving their productivity. Early feedback suggests a significant reduction in setup time and a smoother workflow. With coding tools reaching new heights, the focus now shifts to the foundational infrastructure powering these advancements. Next, we explore OpenAI's massive plans to build the future of AI hardware in India. India's AI future, OpenAI's Stargate data center ambitions. Global infrastructure, a massive AI investment in India. OpenAI is reportedly planning to construct a colossal new data center in India, a move that signifies a major expansion of its Stargate-branded artificial intelligence infrastructure. This ambitious project, as reported by Bloomberg, aims to establish a significant footprint for OpenAI in Asia, catering to the rapidly growing demand for AI development and deployment in the region. The company is actively scouting for local partners to bring this massive undertaking to fruition, signaling a strategic commitment to the Indian market. This initiative is understood to be a key component of OpenAI's broader Stargate project, which is focused on building the next generation of AI infrastructure. While details remain somewhat scarce, the scale of such a data center suggests it will be designed to handle the immense computational power required for training and running advanced AI models, including future iterations of ChatGPT and other cutting-edge research. The choice of India as a location is strategic, given the country's burgeoning tech sector, a vast pool of skilled AI talent, and a rapidly expanding digital economy. India's government has also been actively promoting digital transformation and AI adoption, creating a favorable environment for such large-scale investments. The development of dedicated AI data centers is crucial for companies like OpenAI as they push the boundaries of artificial intelligence. These facilities provide the necessary computing power, storage, and networking capabilities to support the training of massive AI models, which often require exabytes of data and supercomputing-level processing. By establishing a significant presence in India, OpenAI aims to not only serve the local market more effectively, but also to leverage India's strategic location and growing digital infrastructure to support its global operations. This move could also foster closer collaboration with Indian tech companies, research institutions, and universities, potentially accelerating AI innovation within the country and across the Asia-Pacific region. The investment underscores the global race to build the foundational infrastructure for AI, with significant implications for technological sovereignty and economic competitiveness. User impact. News of OpenAI's potential data center in India has generated considerable excitement among tech enthusiasts and industry observers, who see it as a major boost for India's AI ecosystem. Discussions are underway regarding the potential for job creation and the acceleration of AI research and development within the country. As OpenAI invests heavily in its global infrastructure, the company is also making significant strides in its core AI research. We'll wrap up with a look at what's next for OpenAI's groundbreaking models. The future of AI, OpenAI's next frontier and global strategy. AI evolution, beyond GPT-4 and the road ahead. OpenAI continues to push the boundaries of artificial intelligence, with ongoing research and development hinting at the next generation of its powerful language models. While specific details about GPT-5 and beyond remain under wraps, the company's trajectory suggests a relentless pursuit of enhanced capabilities, including improved reasoning, multimodal understanding, and greater efficiency. The recent focus on global expansion, particularly in key markets like India, Brazil, and Australia, underscores a strategic vision to make its AI technologies more accessible and impactful worldwide. This expansion isn't just about reaching more users, it's about embedding AI into the fabric of global business and daily life. In parallel with its infrastructure and market expansion, OpenAI is also refining its developer tools. The recent significant upgrade to Codex, its agentic coding assistant, exemplifies this. By integrating more deeply into developer workflows with features like seamless cloud-to-local handoffs and new IDE extensions, OpenAI is empowering programmers to build and deploy AI-powered applications more efficiently. This focus on developer enablement is crucial for fostering an ecosystem around OpenAI's technologies, encouraging innovation, and driving adoption across various industries. The company's strategy appears to be a multi-pronged approach, combining foundational AI research, robust infrastructure development, and accessible, powerful tools for both consumers and professionals. Furthermore, the company is actively navigating the complex landscape of partnerships and competition, particularly with major players like Microsoft. As OpenAI grows and its technologies become more integrated into various business operations, managing these relationships and defining its market position becomes increasingly critical. The ongoing renegotiation of partnership terms and the strategic decisions regarding cloud providers and commercial restructuring highlight the dynamic nature of the AI industry. OpenAI's ability to balance its research-driven mission with its commercial ambitions will be key to its long-term success, and its role in shaping the future of artificial intelligence. The sheer pace of innovation and the strategic investments being made indicate that OpenAI is positioning itself not just as a technology provider, but as a foundational force in the next wave of digital transformation, with a clear eye on global impact and leadership. User impact. AI enthusiasts and industry watchers are keenly anticipating OpenAI's next major model releases and the broader impact of its global expansion. The continuous improvement of tools like Codex suggests a future where AI is more deeply integrated into everyday technology and professional workflows. That's a wrap on our top stories this week, covering global strategy, developer tools, and massive infrastructure plays. Keep your AI knowledge sharp. And that's a wrap on this week's Essential AI Updates. We covered OpenAI's massive global enterprise push, a game-changing upgrade for their AI coding tool Codex, and their ambitious plans for a huge data center in India. Stay ahead of the curve, hit that like button, subscribe for more insights, and ring the bell so you don't miss our next deep dive. Follow us on social media for daily updates.